Hello everybody and welcome back to yet another episode on my channel. So this is episode 18 I believe. And as you can see, your boy's been stockpiling the freak out of just randomness. And yeah, I found a lockpick in the video a couple days ago I made. So that's pretty cool, you know what I'm saying? And this, right here my things, is my food crate. And I'm going to keep on hogging all the food I can get. Because check this out, your boy's stacked. It's going to stay that way because I want to get more food. So my guy's not starving to death. Or actually, no, I use food as healing supplies. I just go into a zone naked completely and then I just kill myself. Bam, problem solved. I doubt that he can just hit the living crap out of me. Okay, so backstory. I just found a lockpick room and my Wi-Fi is gonna start doing this to me, and then I'm gonna end up crashing, and I don't want all this crap in my face. You moron! You moron! Get your reinforced guitar. Why do I need that? It's a freaking melee weapon. No, I don't want to use it. Oop, I used it. My bad. Oh well. I'm gonna do it without him. He was too slow, bro. No. Bring your assault rifle. I am recording this, dude. You think I'm stupid, Sim? Toad? You oily tord? You can buy me that oily tord again. Sean from the Red Dead Redemption. I don't care what he says. I would prefer to do this with an assault rifle. You want to go in here and tank hit, melee, whatever you call it? You go right ahead. I don't want to die for it. Hurry up! I ain't even gonna tell him. Of course I'm recording. I'm not just gonna not record. I don't think he can come in here with me, can he? I think it's only a... Yeah, it's... Oh no, I got lucky. Alright. Told you. Just go, dude. It doesn't matter if I'm recording or not. We're doing this for craps and giggles. So relax. Stop worrying about it. Please. I would appreciate it if you didn't worry about it. Yeah, you tank and end up getting killed. Then that's on you, bro. Technically, this is my room, so I should have to, you know, loot it because it's my stuff. He can take care of the doggo. This is stupid because I should have this stuff. It's mine. Mine. This is my lockpick room, you tord. But I gotta be nice about it. I prefer to do it alone anyways, because it's better off when you just have an assault rifle. So you can just murder the heck out of them. Lisa? And I was joking. I don't care if I share the loot or not. I just, you know, I want to have some. I love doing these rooms because they're cool. You'll see if I got anything. I did. I got some duct tape. I got a worthless carbon fiber sheet and some research parts. If only I could get the steering wheel. Oh, there's a loot crate up here. I forgot to get it. All it took was tape. You get anything? Free. Not trying to brag, but I'm trying to. I am big old tank. If you say so. I'm just gonna let him go into auto and see if he realizes it. Bro, it's not me. I'm not controlling it. You gotta save me. Save me! I can't control myself. I gotta loot everything. The AI. You broke the AI. Alright, well, you have fun in this dark and brooding room. I'm out. I'm going on to bigger and better things. Come on, run. Run away from him. Run away. Run away. Mom, they made me lose a lockpick. I don't think that was really worth it, to be honest, because that was just a bunch of crap, of absolute crap. I'm gonna head back into my base and I'm gonna get the crowbars that I got. I don't care what he says, what he tries to tell me. I'm not doing an airdrop. You want to go die in an airdrop? That's your business, not mine. I'm good. You have that all to yourself. I ain't trying to be, a jerk about it, but I could really care less about the airdrops. Could really care less. Period. Where did I put my friggin' crowbars? I'm losing my brains. I need those sugars in case. Little voltage and freaking church faces. I don't want to use the machete anymore because I could use that for other things. Actually, I could use that for a quest if need be. I need to go check out my quest. I almost forgot about that. I'm sorry. That's alright. That's my cousin. Don't mind that. Group disbanded. Nice. Like I said, I'm not trying to be a jerk about it, but I could really care less about the airdrops. That's on the people who want to go risk their buttocks for it. I'm not the type. I always hated PvP zones anyway, so. You know what I'm saying? I mean, who the freak wouldn't? It's PvP. And during them airdrops, people just bring everything they got. Like football armor, everything. Everything! Wasting my time. I need to get my cowboy voice going again. I sound like the Walmart brand of Arthur Morgan. Holy crap. Oh, that's sad. That is depressing. What the freak do you use these things for? There's so many of their seeds, I just don't even take them anymore. Have fun at airdrop. Alright. I also forgot that every time you leave the zone, it resets that said zone. I'm so sorry, excuse me. I hate how it does this. Sit down. Come along. You freaking retard. No freak. No freak. I don't like your face. Your face is disgusting. I can care less, game. I am enjoying myself in offline. That's technically offline because I'm not fighting other players for this loot. It's nice when you can actually earn your loot and then not just get murdered by somebody who wants it more than you. It's quite nice. Quite nice indeed. Ooh, got a slicer. I'm a slice and dice your face. no. Can't push that. I'm useless at jokes. It was so lame. Why am I so lame, man? You gotta admit, it was fun. It was a little bit funny, no? Okay, I'll shut up now. Come on! How you like that? You ain't stopping me from getting this. Cuh. Oh, I'll see you on the streets, cuh. Hey, yeah. What was that off of? Oh, that was off a movie. I know what it is, but I'm not gonna say it. Cause it's ridiculous. I'm so sorry I'm random today. I got 0 sleep last night. I'm exaggerating. Stop yawning. I'm gonna cause a freaking yawn apocalypse in 3.8 seconds. It goes from 0 to 60 in 0.seconds. Yeah, English. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Another lockpick door? I literally just got done with one. With, what's his face? Nameless. You got to be kidding me. And they're so hard to come across. They really are. It sucks that they're so hard to come by. If you get them from a loot crate in these green zones, because you can, I've proved that. I've gotten 2 of them out of these green zones before. Like, separate different times, though. Alright, well, that's this zone done. I've looted everything I can, and I don't want to waste any more of my crowbar. Oh my goodness. Dude, you always go to the airdrop. What the freak are you talking about? That'd be strange if you didn't go. And I'm being legit serious. Like, he always goes to these airdrops. He's like, hey, you wanna come along? And I'm like, nah. Nah, fucking nah. Like I said, I don't want to be a jerk about it, but I don't want any part of it. He's mine. I'm talking to my people. Oh, crap. I'm not gonna be on in 11 days. I think it's 10 days now. I'm not gonna clarify why, but in about 10 days I won't be recording for a few days, like maybe 5 or 6, depending on how I feel. I might keep uploading after that. I might. I don't know, but it's personal, and I'd rather not talk about it. So I just want you all to know about that. I doubt anybody's gonna make it to the end of this video, though. So, you know. Got him. Got him. Alright, got him. Haha. Get wrecked. I know that glitch from a long time ago. What you gonna do when that come for you? I'm so sorry, people. You have to put up with my stupidity. I need to stop. I've yawned 8 times in 3 seconds. It's ridiculous. I'm gonna take a nice long nap tonight. Anybody who tries to keep me up, I'm gonna gimp slap him across the face. I'm gonna say, shut up. Let me sleep. I need sleep, sir. Or madam, whoever it is. I'm getting a crap ton of food. This is what a day's worth of grinding looks like. Grinding. Proper English? Not in my world. I confused myself. I think I just had a stroke or something with my mouth. Nice. I can put more bullets. Oh, my crowbar broke. That's nice. That's you're mean. You're a meanie. Okay. I only do green zones for it. For the past 3 days, I've only been going into green zones and stuff just to loot the crates with the crowbars. Because I've come to acknowledge that it's very worth it. And you get a lot of good stuff out of it. And you put all of that garbage in there. Swoop. 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 Anyways, this is a 14-minute long video. Like I said, I'm sorry that I'm retarded and I don't know how to make thumbnails. I need to learn how to make them. I want to make one for Predator. I did, but it said new text on the video that I had to save it on like an entirely new video, and it said new text on the title. But it was a thumbnail. It was a thumbnail. So I got lucky on that much of a note. Okay? What was I needing these wooden planks for? I knew it was for something. What the fuck was it for? Come on, brain, think. Think with your brain. I'm gonna put this elsewhere. Wait, no, never mind. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed. Bye. I love y'all, and I'm gonna see you whenever. Like, share, comment, subscribe. It would mean the world to me if you did. And hit that notification bell for future videos coming up on the channel. Because eventually there will be new vlogs, and I will be doing them. Possibly, not even possibly, guaranteed when we go to the mud bog, I'm gonna record it. So, hope y'all enjoyed. Like I said, bye. Bye!